control settings. And now everything's messed up.
What was that?
What the f? Oh, hell no!
Brace yourself.
Aw crap. Now I'm wet. Whoa, what was that sound? Oh my, the ground is shaking. Oh no, it's an earthquake. I need to lay down here on the ground.
What is going on?
I don't know. Scary Larry.
Our crew is shaking. This means it's an earthquake.
Hold up. Guys, there's an earthquake. We need to hide under the decks.
Okay, we should be safe here until it's gonna be over.
We're gonna wait until it's over.
Damn it. The earthquake is still going.
Calm down, everybody. You better stay calm.
Mom, I'm really scared.
Don't be scared, Carla Jr. Please stay calm.
Earthquake.
Oh my, this is scary! The earthquake appeared out of nowhere again!
Okay, Mom, we will be calm down.
Everyone alright?